set on Pickaway County, the jury met to decide his fate. It didn't take long.
Paul Freshour was convicted of attempted murder with a firearm. He received a sentence of 7 to 25 years in prison.
With the Circleville writer behind bars, the residents of Circleville, Ohio, looked forward to checking the mail out here.
But the letters kept coming.
There you go.
Coming up, an imprisoned Paul Freshour
Perfect
received
example.
a message from the Circleville writer.
Since 1979, TireRack.com.
There's a timing problem here. Houston Street. Lamar headed north. So ridiculous.